WP 12656 of 2026. Item 4 for admission before the Honorable First Bench. P. Bhaskar vs. State. Prayer. Writ of certiorarified mandamus to call for the records made in the impugned order issued by the 140 respondent Videgio. D. No. 15 dated 74.01.20 inches 16 and quash the same as illegal, void and unconstitutional and consequently direct the respondents herald not to break or operate the fixed deposit of the temple to. Counsel for Petitioner B. Jagannath. Learned Senior Advocate R. Shanmugasundaram for respondents assisted by R. Bharanidharan and Learned Senior Counsel A. K. Sriram for HR and say appeared. 3. Petitioner Counsel B. Jagannath stated that Masani Amman Temple is a famous and landmark temple having fixed deposit of more than Rs. 120 crores in contravention to Section 46(47) of the Act. Fit person fifth respondent has been appointed, instead of appointment of trustees the two when application form and notification was called for in March last year in paper publication for appointment of trustees for the temple. There's nothing personal against the fifth respondent, it's a challenge to the appointment in light of legal infraction. The apprehension is that there is 120 crore rupees fixed deposit and that the fixed deposit cannot be used as last year during same period. Fixed deposit was sought to be broken for construction of luxury resort in Ooty which was dropped due to timely intervention of the petitioner in another last year. It's been 1 year until date no trustees have been appointed. There can be no major policy decision taken without trustees' appointment. Fit person cannot do so as per Section 46, 47, 48 of the Act. 4. The bench posed a question to the respondents why trustees are not appointed for 1 year. If that is so, then what is the rationale for appointment of fit person now in 2026? 5. Per contra, Learned Senior Advocate R. Shanmugasundaram, assisted by R. Bharanidharan stated that the appointment of fit person is a temporary interim stopgap arrangement. It is only for a temporary period. The luxury resort proposal was dropped last year itself. There is no decision or proposal to break the fixed deposit till the appointment of trustees. Furthermore, application form of trustees has been scrutinized. Certain candidates have been identified and the respondents after the election shall undertake promptly to appoint trustees in accordance with law. Hence the apprehension of the petitioner is allayed and answered accordingly. Also, appointment of respondent 5 is only temporary in nature till trustees are appointed. After hearing the arguments from both sides, the learned first bench stated that detailed orders will be passed.